In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize, edit, and delete files in Hubspot. Start by opening your browser and heading to Hubspot. Sign in with your own account so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the main dashboard, we'll go straight to the area where your files live. Look toward the main navigation and open the Content section. Inside there, select Files. This takes you to your File Manager, where you can see all the assets your team uses, like images, documents, and downloads. Let's get organized by creating a folder. In the Files tool, click the Create Folder button. A small window will appear asking for a folder name. Type a clear, consistent name that matches how your team works. For example, you might include a date, a campaign name, or a content type. This makes it easier to keep things tidy as your library grows. When you're happy with the name, click Create, and your new folder will appear in the list. Now take a moment to review your files. You can scan through the library, use the search bar, or filter by type to find what you need. When you're ready to move items, select a file and choose the option to move it. Pick the new folder you just created and confirm. Moving files into folders keeps your links and references intact while making the library much easier to navigate. If you come across files you no longer need, you can send them to the trash. Select the file and choose Move to Trash. This is a safe way to clean up because trashed files aren't permanently removed right away, giving you a buffer in case something was moved by mistake. You can also adjust file visibility when needed. Select a file and change its visibility setting to match your use case, such as public for assets you want accessible via a link, or restricted if you want to limit access. This simple edit helps control who can view or download your content outside your team. Finally, if you need to share or back up a set of files, use the export option to create a zip. Choose the files or folders, select Export, Zip, and Hubspot will prepare a downloadable archive. This is helpful for handoffs, audits, or offline storage. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate to files, create folders, organize by moving items, clean up with the trash, fine-tune visibility, and export assets as a zip. Follow these practices regularly to keep your Hubspot file library clean, secure, and easy to manage.